And then, the keys, meron siyang egg. And then, ito, pandesal to. French toast dyan. Diba? Kaide? Yeah? Itadakimasu. Yes, I'm eating.
Best girl
Ever. Anyway, coffee ko just black. A-attend kami ng kasal sa next year, February. Kaya kailangan kong magpapayat. Ito na yung sign na kailangan ko na magpapayat.
Toddler.
Yeah. Kasi sobrang pawis ako. Sobrang humid ng, at least sa Calgary, sobrang humid. Sobrang lagkit. Parang Philippines lang. Nag-noodles pa ako. Diba? At nagkape.
Okay, I'm gonna do some of that.
It's good.
Move the bear and the beetle house. We're waiting for the call and play.
I might need to rearrange something sa living room. Lagi kasi umakyat si Kaide. So, madalas kami mag-rearrange ng mga furnitures para hindi siya umakyat-akyat. So, ayun. Siguro, pang-apat ko na to na aayusin yung pwesto ng mga bagay-bagay. Buti. Okay lang sa mga in-laws ko yung mga ganito. Very thankful. Maglilinis lang muna ako dito. Yung coffee table na dito rin sa ilalim ng dining table kasi inaakit niya to. We'll see kung paano gagawin. Hey guys, can you clean up your blocks? Because I need to vacuum the floor. And then after that, you can do whatever you want, okay? Hindi ko alam sana kung mag-uumpisa. Go through this.
Papa.
Papa. That's nice. You like it? Who's this again?
Toddler. toothless.
Is it toothless? Okay.
One thing. This one.
Galing pala mo drawing ni Papa. Good job, Papa.
And this one is better too.
Oh, so you're nagko-color ka na lang.